this explicit function, I explicitly defined y in terms of x, but it's very hard to differentiation explicitly, and here is the trick. Let's take the natural log on both sides of this equation. Let's take the natural log on both sides of this equation. Len left and len right. Now drop x here. Len y equal x times len of x. Practice for this trick. Now let's practice. Drop it here. 2 times len of x. Drop 5 here. 5 len of x. Now we can use implicitly differentiation. Implicitly differentiation means derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x. Derive this, cancel len, and derive this over this, derive y, 1 over this y times dy over dx, derive of y with respect to x. This product rule, do for brackets, plus between them, derivative first, right second, derivative second, right first, derivative first, derivative x, 1, right second, len of x, derivative second, cancel len, derivative this over this, 1 over x, times right 1 x, 1 over y, times dy over dx, equal this equal len of x, plus cancel x with x, plus 1, now times y in both sides, dy over dx equal y come here, y times len of x. Now do substitute, dy over dx, y equal x power x, y equal x power x times len of x plus 1.